Hey there, it's Lee and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of WhatsApp profile picture not actually showing up. It's a quick and easy process to fix it, so let's jump straight into it. Firstly, if you're trying to view someone else's profile picture and it's not showing up, there could be a few reasons why. 1. They may have changed their privacy settings to make their profile picture visible to only a selected number of people, such as their contacts. 2. You may not have saved their contacts in your list. And 3. They may have blocked you, which means you won't be able to view their profile picture. In this case, you can reach out to the person and ask them to save your contacts or inquire about the status of their profile picture. Now, if you're having trouble with your own profile picture not showing up, here's what you can do. Go to your phone settings, then select General, and then come down to iPhone storage, find WhatsApp and offload the app. This won't delete your personal information, it simply removes the app and clears any glitches that may be causing the issue. Reinstall the app from the App Store or directly here and it should work perfectly fine. However, if you're still experiencing problems with your profile picture not showing up, even after reinstalling the app, it may be an issue with WhatsApp's end. To resolve this, head over to the browser and search for Contact WhatsApp. Click on the first link that comes up and select Contact Us. Enter your phone number associated with your account and choose your device type. In the message box, describe the issue you're experiencing and request assistance. WhatsApp support team should respond within 48 hours to help you fix the issue. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial was helpful in fixing the issue of WhatsApp profile picture not actually showing up. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.